How to use magnifier in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it latest, go back to home screen and refresh on. And click on settings app. Now here click on control center. So first of all turn on this button. After turn on this button, so after turn on control center, so open control center, so swipe down and click and hold screen and click on add a controller and search a controller magnify. You will see magnify option is here, so click on magnify. You will select the size small, medium, large. After selecting size, click on this icon and how to use magnify. So click on magnify. Now here you will see zoom from here. You will see. So after zooming, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use magnify in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.